Hi everyone, welcome back to Her Home Is, your go-to place for luxury home inspiration. Today I am so excited to share my Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 tour with you. But before we go into that, let you see how it all started. We did start by doing all of the deep cleaning. We took down parts of summer and fall decor. Then we started by doing a heavy deep clean because we was gearing up for our theme for this Christmas 2025 season, which is what I'm calling Gilded Frost. So it is a Wonderland Gilded Frost look. And I do hope we have inspired you thus far. Make sure you do check out all of the prior videos leading up to this kitchen tour. That's why your girl is so excited to share her Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 tour with you all. We are going all out this year with the sparkle, the shimmer, the silver, and the white, and the touches of frost magic. Now trust me, you're going to want to stay to the very end because I'll be sharing a few of my Luxe decorating secret that instantly elevates any kitchen for the holidays. And you guys, you're gonna see throughout this Gilded Frost series that you'll see me come back and implement some more changes, because we do got some more changes in the work even in this kitchen already. And I could not pull this look off without the heavy mixture of those golds, those champagnes, mixing in the silver and the cream and all of that. This will be one of the looks that has to be put down in the books. Here's that Wonderland Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 kitchen tour. Let's start with the layout. My kitchen is where I really love to bring the festive energy. I've added twinkling garlands, frosted pine accents, and a few sparkle touches that make it feel like a Wonderland right at home. I did my countertops, my cabinetry, lighting with all seasonal details. Here you notice my countertops with my gold and champagne accent and a few silver accents in here. I did layer in some of those gold tones and those frosted trees with those reindeers. This is the magic trick to making your kitchen feel luxe instantly. Which color combo do you love more? Silver and white frost or gold and cream shimmer? Comment down below. And to here, the faux snow actually ties the magic together. I did not want it in, but TT did, and I will have to say she was definitely right. I didn't put out as many reindeers here on this on these buffets, but when you come back and get the house tour, you're gonna see all of the new implemented changes that we have already made here in this Gilded Frost Christmas. You see my curtains, you guys, and that does set the stage and the tone for the space. Let me know too in the comments if you would like to know where every single item that is featured throughout this Gilded Frost kitchen tour. If you let me know, I will come back and drop all of that information down in that description. And at this time, I want to thank all of our new family members. Welcome here to Her Home Is. I truly appreciate you not just stopping by, but showing the channel love and support, and also becoming part of the family. And if you're still riding with your girl and you're a returning family member, I'm so glad to see you yet again. Now, you guys, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to give you 3 different looks with this kitchen tour. Here you have my regular daytime look. I'm going to give you my nighttime look. And I'm going to give you a look with all of the lights off and let you see how truly amazing this Gilded Frost Christmas kitchen tour space really looks. I am so overexcited about how it came out. And I just want you to know, I hope this does give you some inspiration to play with a style, create a style, do whatever it is you think. Put your style together, pull it together with your thoughts and what you see and how you see it coming together. I am so glad that I went this direction this year. So, I do hope it inspired you. Join my exclusive email list for channel updates, early sneak peeks, decor tips, and community giveaways. Email sign up link is in the description. My kitchen island is the centerpiece. I've styled it with a mix of frosted greenery, some LED candles, and metallic accents to make it not only Gilded Frost ready, but Instagram ready as well. Perfect for holiday hosting or just cozy nights in. Even the appliances get in on the holiday fun here at the mini villa. I added frosted decals on the fridge, my Santa, my reindeer that faux snow, and you guys, and subtle fairy lights as well. Also, when you see on top of my air fryer, you'll see I did decorate that and all of my candles as well. Those tiny touches really pull the whole thing together. And to you guys, if you love these decorating ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss my full home Gilded Frost series this season. You want to see every space that we're decorating and styling for this Christmas 2025 season. I'm going to reveal my secret for making your kitchen sparkle for under $50 at the end of this video, so keep watching. Now double tap if you're loving these vibes. If you're inspired, don't forget to subscribe and join the Her Home Is community. Let's create the most beautiful homes on YouTube together. Now you guys, I'm going to let you finish enjoying this Winter Wonderland Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 kitchen tour. Make sure you keep coming back. And remember, I do have 2 other scenes to show you. Now, make sure you do keep coming back for our next room, which will be that living room that we're going to start working on. Now, you guys, here is that nighttime scene. I'm telling you guys, your home looks different between daytime and nighttime. But here's that nighttime you see. As you can see, my table is not decorated. Your girl was still making sure that you see what the space fully looks like. Once again, thank you to all my new family members. Welcome to the community. And my returning followers, welcome back. Now, here's your ultimate decorating secret. Layering glittered trays or mirrored accents and strategically placing fairy lights behind kitchen decor is a total game changer. Make sure you keep all 5 of these tips in mind. Let me know which tip resonated with you more. And still, don't forget, I would love to see what you're creating for your space in your home this Christmas 2025 season. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell twice. It turns blue, and you'll know every single time that we are uploading. And if you just so by chance don't see a video from us, we do upload on Tuesdays, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursdays at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Sundays between 2 and 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. The time varies on Sundays. Like now, we're in football season, so we do fluctuate that time with anticipating of game day. So, if you don't see a video, make sure you come back. We do upload on other days for collaborations. But you guys, make sure you check out all of our branded channels. All of those links are down in the description. And those channels are Glam Queen DIY, Sora Sky Home, and Mindfully Styled. Become a VIP member and get access to bonus Decor content, early video previews, seasonal design guides, and also private community posts and polls. The VIP link is down in the description. And if you want to see lots more content, watch from my other channels. That's Sora Sky Home, and it features cozy, modern living and minimal luxury, Glam Queen DIY, Glam Home Decor, and Budget DIYs, and also Mindful Style. And it features wellness, home styling, and a creative calm. All links are down in the description. comment below and tell me what's your favorite detail from today's kitchen tour setup, whether it's the reindeers, the light, or that snow that TT loves so much, or the trees. Just let me know in those comments. And too, family, if you have started creating your decor and style for Christmas and you don't have a channel, send me a few pictures through email. I would love to see your creativity. If you're still watching and you have not become a part of the Her Home Is community, make sure you click that subscribe button. It is free 99. You heard me right, free, Free, and 99. Make sure you tap that bell twice. It turns blue and you'll be notified every time that we do upload. Man, you guys, I hope this gave you so much inspiration. And I'm going to tell you, I love looking at Christmas decor at night. I told you we've made some more changes here in this space. So make sure that you catch our Gilded Frost Christmas 2025 complete home tour. And it's coming very soon. We will start our next episodes for my living room, which will be starting in a couple days. Once again, we do upload on Tuesdays at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursdays at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, and on Sundays between 2 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you always checking on these days. We do have content on other days. We release the shorts, and if we're going to participate in collaborations or sponsorships typically are aired on one of our off days, typically between 12 and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget, family, if you would like to know where all of these items did come from that you see featured here in this kitchen, let me know in the comments and we'll bring you all of that detailed information. And I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you check out all of our branded channels. That is Her Home Is, Glam Queen DIY, Sora Sky Home, and Mindfully Styled. All links are in the description.